Well, we just left Lock 23 and we're headed for Lemonade Lake. You know, it's been great so far. This is Friday, the 23rd, and I'm eating some leftovers. You don't really have breakfast, lunch, or, you know, it's usually just leftovers and stuff. There's some great shrimp and couscous and salad, and we were just went through this lock, and we're going through Oneida Lake. So fourth day on the canal. Doing great. All right, tell us what we're having for dinner, Willard.
Well, we're having chicken hamburgers with feta cheese, slightly melted on top, red peppers, red onions, and Caesar salad.
And this is where all the magic happens here in our little kitchen.
Yes, this is I guess ground zero for the Cleo's sort of culinary experience. This is where we ultimately prepared. Take the experience.
And
about
we
3
usually
feet
eat out
away,
here
yeah.
if it's nice weather. And Captain Tom, we're stuck at Lock 18 this evening. We got here an hour before the lock, or
After the lock.
After the lock closed. So, bon appetit.
That's known as bad time.